Aloha, all you quantum wave living people. Welcome to Hawaii. Aloha. And I'm here today to teach you how to access the universe's memory of all time to the present. Yes. So I'm going to do that today because you have read my novel and you've left me a review. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. And let's learn how to do it now. Okay, it's called muscle testing, and you have to ask specifically to the quantum memory of the universe. The yogis call it the akashic records, which means the records in the ether of the whole universe. The ethers are most of the universe. 95% are called ethers. So there's a lot of recording of everything, and you have access to it for free. The universe's internet for free. So why pay for it? Yeah, when you can ask. Your muscle test will be a yes and no answer. And here's how you do it. You put your little finger together with your thumb, and not too tight, not like a vice grip, but also not like a feather grip, somewhere in between. And you place it down on your knee, resting, relaxed. Relax your shoulder and your arm. Don't use them. The other hand, you use the index finger, and you place it inside the hole that's resting on your knee. I'm using a pillow so you can see it. So here we go. I'll give you an example. I am Angela. When I say something true, it is a strong hold. The muscles stay strong. Now, if you are dehydrated, you haven't drunk water in the last few minutes, then we're going to take pure water, not tea, not juice, not lemon water, nothing except pure water, just like these wonderful beings of dolphins and whales. Well, it's salt water for them, but for you, pure water, and drink some. I've been talking, so water vapor is leaving my mouth, which means I need to drink more pure water. Tap water, any kind of water that doesn't have any ingredients in it, that will not hydrate you. You'll find it out with muscle testing. So here we go again. If that didn't work, we're doing it again. A little more force maybe. Put your finger in, and this finger is going to lift your hand just a little bit off of your knee, resting on your leg. So here we go. I am Angela. Say your own name. Okay, it's strong. Now, if I say something like, I am a cabbage, oh, it goes right through. So when I say something not true, my nerves shut off for a second, for a moment, a few moments. Yeah, it's definitely a few. And then the muscles get weak because the nerves aren't working. And so your finger will go through. That's a no. I'll do it again. I am a banana. Oh, I'm not a banana today. Now, if you are a banana and you are not your name, that means that you are stressed. And I will show you at the end of the video how to de-stress in 10 seconds so you can get back to muscle testing and accessing Googleverse. Okay, so how do I ask questions? Well, I ask questions and I be very specific, or you may be asking your brain or the person in the kitchen or the television or somebody else. You don't want to ask anyone else except the universe's memory, okay? Because it records it as it is. So let's say I want to find out how old I was when I became first unhappy. Okay, so what age did I first experience unhappiness? Was it at birth? No. Was it at 5 years old? No. Was it at 10 years old? Yes. I'll keep going until I get a no. Was it at 11 years old? No. So 10 said yes, it was strong. 11 says no. So 10 years old, I first experienced unhappiness. Now, I have 5 different maps which are described in my workbook, Quantum Wave Living Workbook. This is on Amazon. It's very inexpensive considering you get a day-by-day teaching of how to apply this quantum wave living. And also you get all the maps. So if I wanted to find out, say, well, what happened? Who was it who I was unhappy with? Was it me or someone else? I can get all that information. I'm not going to show you how now. That's up to you to practice from my workbook. If I just want to ask how many civilizations that are intelligent are in the universe, I can do that. I count numbers again. How many intelligent universes, Akashic Records, are there in the whole universe of ours? In case there are any other universes. Are there 50? Yes. 100? Yes. 150? Yes. 200? No. So then I go back to 150. 160? Yes. 170? Yes. 180? Yes. 190? No. So I go back to 180 and count by ones. 181? Yes. 182? No. So there are 181 intelligent civilizations throughout our whole universe. This is the 5th time I've checked it, and it sticks to 181. It takes time to make an intelligent civilization in our universe. And I was shocked the number was so low. So you can ask any question like that, which isn't even on your computer internet. Nobody knows that on Earth except me and now you. Okay, so hopefully you've got that. Drink water. Always start with your name and cabbage or some vegetable that you are not, okay? Always begin with that to make sure that you are hydrated. If I say I am Angela and it says no, what am I going to do? I'm going to drink water. Until I'm hydrated. I'm Angela. Oh, I'm hydrated because it said yes. I'm a cabbage? No. Good. Now, to de-stress, I'm going to show you in 1 minute. One hand, left hand over your belly button. Right hand, 2 fingers under your collarbone, above your first rib. There's a hole there, a space. Ouch. And there's an acupuncture point, kidney 27. It hurts on my left side. My left kidney is not happy. So I'm breathing and I'm rubbing. This is called brain buttons. It's helping me de-stress. That's all you need. 2 fingers now the peace sign. Brush your teeth on your above your lip, upper lip, and below your lower lip 3 or 4 times. That's all you need. Then rub your whole hand over your tailbone sacrum, going from your waist down to the chair, waist to the chair, up and down, up and down, up and down, at least 3 times. Ah, feels good. Now try it again. I am Angela. Yes, I am a cabbage. No, I'm de-stressed. I'm Angela again. Okay, so saying goodbye, I'm going to salute you with some water. You can now start asking about the present and the past, not about the future. Why? Because the future hasn't happened yet. It's not recorded. You cannot ask about the future. You're only going to get an answer about the present. And don't go asking questions about people you don't know. No snooping around unless they're really good friends of yours, and it will enhance your friendship or relationship. Okay? Okie doke. Thank you very much. If you have questions, put them in the chat box. And as we say in the quantum world, when I dare to bare my heart naked, I turn my scared into sacred.